Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to My Health, where we're all about simple, effective ways to live your healthiest life. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip that can transform your health. Today, we're talking about something vibrant, nutritious, and downright powerful: beetroot juice. Drinking this for just 21 days can lead to some incredible changes in your body. Stick around to find out what they are and why you should start today. So, what's the big deal about beetroot juice? It's not just another trendy health fad. Beetroot is packed with essential nutrients like nitrates, vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. Nitrates, for example, are like fuel for your blood vessels. They help improve blood flow and oxygen delivery. Then there's vitamin C for a stronger immune system and potassium to support your heart. It's a powerhouse in a glass. Now let's get to the good part. What happens when you drink beetroot juice every day for 21 days? Here are some amazing benefits you might notice. 1. Energy boost. Beetroot juice is like a natural pre-workout. Its nitrates enhance oxygen flow in your body, giving you better stamina and endurance. Whether you're hitting the gym or just powering through a busy day, you'll feel the difference. 2. Lower blood pressure. If you're looking to improve heart health, this is a game changer. Studies show that beetroot juice can help lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, keeping your heart happy and healthy. 3. Glowing skin. Who doesn't want a natural glow? Beetroot juice detoxifies your body and is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals, leaving your skin clear and radiant. 4. Better digestion. Feeling bloated? Beetroot juice is high in fiber, which promotes gut health and helps your digestion run smoothly. Making beetroot juice at home is quick and easy. Here's my go-to recipe. Take 1 to 2 fresh beets, peeled and chopped. Add a splash of water to help it blend smoothly. Optional, squeeze in some lemon juice for extra flavor and a boost of vitamin C. Blend it all together, and voila! Your glass of wellness is ready to drink. Pro tip: have it on an empty stomach in the morning for the best results. Before you dive in, here are a few things to keep in mind. Start small, especially if you're new to beetroot juice. Begin with half a glass and gradually increase. Don't be alarmed if your urine or stool turns pinkish. It's totally normal and harmless. And as always, consult your doctor if you have any health conditions or concerns. So, are you ready to take the 21-day beetroot juice challenge? Try it and let us know how it transforms your energy, skin, and overall health. Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe to join our My Health community. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.